Good morning. My name is Pratik Nandga, and our project topic is Development of Healthcare Services and Booking System. It is a sponsored project by Codex Solutions Pune, and it is done under the guidance of Dr. Rajesh Chaudhary. These are the outlines we are going to discuss in our presentation. The main aim of our project is to make healthcare facilities easily available to the people. It also helps them to keep the track of their health. The aim is to assist healthcare professionals to assist with important tasks such as information, time management, booking of services. Problem statement of our project is healthcare services are often not easy to find by the public. Hospitals do not have an outlet to advertise their services. Our project is to make healthcare booking services easily available to the public. Our main objective is to develop mobile app to list and book medical services and facilities for the users. This is a basic flow of our project. So if when we start an app, if you have an account, you can directly log in and go to the home page. If you don't have an account, we have to sign up and register for the app and then go to the home screen. In home screen, you get four options like explore, like this search hospital, upcoming and past appointments, profile, and settings. So in explore hospitals, you can select hospital, select treatment, and then fill the appropriate appointment details of the patient and get the appointment booked. These are data is stored in cloud firebase. For to build this app, we have used Android Studio. In Android Studio, we are using Java as our programming language. For storing the data in the database, we are going to use Cloud Firestore. And for UI layout design, we are using Android Java XML.
Hello, I'm Yashodhan Tadekar. So, browsing and comparing medical facilities are difficult these days. We compared we compared our application with traditional queuing method to book an appointment, where a user has to visit the hospital physically, wait in a queue, and fill some document to get an appointment. Instead, using this app, he can log in, browse, fill the details, and book an appointment, which will save a lot of useful time, and also he will be able to check if nearby hospitals provide same treatment. But network security rule checks are some important fields that might be a limitation to this application. We also follow some professional practices, using customer data only for required use, avoiding using custom libraries for functionalities, using licensed application and their dependencies, following privacy laws, standard guidelines, and some rules. Coming to system implementation, first we installed Android Studio and required frameworks to work ahead. We set up access rules in Cloud Firestore using the authentication provided by Firebase to first create authentication activity, then design database architecture, uploaded it with dummy data. We designed and populated basic activities such as home screen, explore profile page, and execute some test run to check their facilities. As Pratik described, after logging in from home screen, you get four options: explore, profile, history, and settings. Inside explore, option one is redirected to hospital activity, where he will be provided a list of registered hospitals. By selecting the hospital, he will be redirected to an activity where basic information about the hospital and a list of all treatments provided by that hospital will be given. And selecting the treatment, he can book an appointment by entering some basic details. Inside profile section, user profile is displayed, and he or she can also update the user profile, and it will be uploaded on or updated on Cloud Firestore. Inside the history activity, data from Cloud Firestore is displayed, where user can see previous appointments or upcoming appointments. And inside the section, one has option to sign out. These are some snapshots from our application.
Hello, I'm Nikhil and I'm going to show you a short demo about our project. Since we already registered the last time, I'll be just showing you the basic how to book an appointment. First, we click on the search for treatments, and if we want to search for the like Birla Hospital, we can search it here for a specific hospital here. After clicking it here, we will get the basic information for the hospital, like its location, its email, its phone. Like we can directly contact them from here. And after clicking on bursatilus, we can see this information about the treatment. This page is like the confirmation for booking. Like if we and it also shows us the cost of the treatment, overall cost of the treatment. If we click on continue to book, will be redirected to the appointment details page where we need to fill our appointment details. Medical concerns is treatment, age 21, gender male, and if we click on here, we'll get a calendar dialog open. If we click on book appointment, it will say uploaded successfully. That means it will go on our history page. Sorry. It will go on our history page, and since this icon is here, it means it's still pending and we need to confirm it from the other app. And this symbol means that we have successfully completed the appointment. And if we go on a profile, we'll get our basic our info, our data, which is retrieved from Firebase. And if I show you our Firestore, this is the way it is stored. So we'll need an hospital ID and user ID to confirm that which user has booked an appointment, and the hospital ID in which we have booked the appointment. So that's it about our short demo. So coming back to our presentation, so we have designed the user and login page successfully last time, and successfully created the user profile. Update Cloud Firestore with updated user profile. Yes, we have designed homepage application in XML and Java. We have designed activity to browse treatments offered. Successfully retrieve data user intended to search, like for Birla. If we search for Birla, and design activity to book appointments. We booked the appointment right now. Update Cloud Firestore with appointments block, as you can see on the Firestore. Design responsive XML layouts for different screen size. In conclusion, in this project, we studied both Java and its application in Android Studio. We developed an app in which user can book appointments and search medical treatments. For future scope, if we implement this app correctly, and since we have tie-up with many hospitals, it will be a huge success in this dire situation, because we don't need to go anywhere. We just can book appointments from home, so it is very effective rather than the traditional queuing method. And combined with advanced health data from IoT devices, this platform can be expanded to cover telemedicine, remote health monitoring, and health data analytics for the public. These are the references we used. Thank you.